Sorry, I guess I was on mute. So hey guys, hello everyone. Hi. So sorry, I got to know I was on mute. Sorry guys. So now am I audible and visible clearly? And Sahil, yes, the video will be available after the session also. You can watch it anytime. It will be on our channel. So yeah, don't worry about the video. Hi guys, hello, thank you. So, okay, so I'm audible. Thank you, guys. So, yeah, guys, my name is Anam Khan. I'm from Let's Upgrade, and I'm here just to give you a short introduction about today's bootcamp that we are starting with placement preparation bootcamp, which is for 5 days, and which is a certified course. You will get a free certificate for this bootcamp. So make sure for that you only have to mark your attendance. So make sure that you are marking your attendance every day. In a minute I will show you everything, like I will share my screen and explain you all everything about the attendance part and all. So don't worry and do not spam in the chat like what to do about how to get the certificate and everything. Are you a student? No, I'm not a student. So hi guys, I can't see any like hype or activeness in the chat. Please put some emoji, red heart or your favorite emoji in the chat. So yeah, we'll get to know. And there are only 167 students I can see. Please call your friends, and peers and all who are interested, who wants to like get ready for the interview and build their resume. So yes, thank you people. Put some more emojis. Yes, I can see the hello one, star, smile. Thanks, ma'am, for this all bootcamp. No worries, guys. We are here just for you. You can also you can put your suggestions in the chat if you want any other bootcamps that we can align for you. So, hi, thank you, people. Thank you so much for responding in the chat. Now I can see the chat is active. Is it for coders only? No, not basically. Anyone can uh, attend this. So yeah, I will share my screen till then quickly and explain you all about the attendance part and all. So just give me a minute. Till then, you can share with me like from where you people are joining, in which field you are, and are you people excited for this boot camp and everything? Okay, started. Yes, we are live, guys. So agenda for this session. So basically, we'll teach you how to get ready for the interview and build your resume and what all things you can add and skills, upgrade your skills and everything. Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Kolkata, and West Bengal. Okay, I can see people are joining from various different parts of the India map. Okay, I'm also from Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and thank you guys. So I can guys also tell me in the chat that my screen is visible to you all. Hi Deepa, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Nagpur. Okay, make more than 15 days boot camp. Okay, yes, okay. So guys, let me continue with the attendance part. So here in the description box, you can see registration, attendance, certificate, assignment, everything. For we have one link. We call it as one link because anything you can refer from this one link. So click on this link. You will be redirected to the enrollment page where you enroll for this bootcamp. So scroll down the page. You can see day one. Beside the day one, you can see mark attendance toggle. Click on it. Here is the rating scale from 0 to 10. You can mark it according to yourself how much you want to rate the session. If you like the way of our trainer teaching part, absolutely he is the favorite of many of the students. We get many good feedbacks about him. People wants more boot camps of him. So yeah, hope you all will also enjoy. And he's like cool wala type wala teacher, so you will really enjoy. And for now I will give of course 10. And here is the feedback option. If you have any feedback for us, anything you want us to improve, or any boot camps you want, or anything about the trainer, anything you can upload, put it here. For now I will give nothing and submit my attendance, and after submitting it I will reload my page. And after reloading it, here you can see the progress bar. It increases every day as I mark my attendance. So make sure that you're marking your attendance and your progress bar is increasing. So on day 5, we will get generate certification option also from this page only, right beside the progress bar. Nothing you people have to, nowhere people have to go. Just come on this page, mark your attendance, and get the certificate from this page itself. And if you have any doubt, anything you want people like updates and invites and reminders about the things, events, you can join our Discord and WhatsApp channel. We every day we share opportunities and events links and reminders, invites for you people to stay updated with us, so you can join us there. And we are running this postman bootcamp API challenge, postman API challenge. Here you will get amazing like okay, here you get amazing opportunity to win. We are running this channel challenge, and where there we are like giving away the things like earbuds, Alexa, gaming chair, gaming keyboard, and earbuds also. So also an iPad. So you can participate in this challenge and get a chance to win all this. And we are having this student ambassador program, which is for 1 month. You get it first of all, so it is first 1 month program, and you get amazing opportunities to attend workshops, meet industry leaders, and win exciting gifts, coupons, swag kits, and a certification, and offer letter and recommendation letter. You get many more things. So you can enroll for this and try this for 1 month. If you like, you can re-enroll for the next batch also. So first enroll for this month and see what we people do. We also take workshops there. So yeah guys, if you have any doubt and anything that you want us to clear it, so you can ask us in the chat. Hey ma'am, take my हरी भाई, थैंक ओके हरी भाई, ले लिया आपका नाम भी. अटेंडेंस लिंक, सबका लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा. And also guys, we are running our like, I will show you. We are running the refer and earn challenge also. Also there you will get the chance to win the things like see, first winner gets a smartwatch, second one gets earbuds, and the third one will get the Amazon ka 1000 wala coupon, and also Java DS future dev ka course access. So you just need to bring 25 referrals, and above that people will get the opportunity to win earbuds and smartwatch and everything. Rest of them will get the coupons and everything. So please guys, make sure that you're referring our boot camps to people and getting the chance to win the amazing giveaways. And if you have people any doubt, you can ask us. And also we have this all-in-one documentation. You can find the link in the description box. In here we have like, here you can find the doc link, enrollment attendance link, session links, and we have this notes page where we have prepared notes for you people, and you can refer it anytime. It will help you people a lot to to counter the interview. And you can save this link for your future reference. Yeah, you can't download the PDF, but you can save the link somewhere. And finally, I will call our trainer, that is Rishabh sir. I hope you people will enjoy with him. He's really a cool guy, and you people will love him. So,
Okay.
guys, you can, sir. Hello, hi,
Yep.
sir. Hello, good evening,
Hi,
sir.
hi. Evening. Can you hear
How
me?
are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. And how about you?
I'm also good, sir. Hope people will enjoy again with you. They will have a really amazing time with you, and you will also enjoy. So now I will take a leave and I will hand over the session to you. Okay. So
Okay.
bye,
Cool.
guys. Bye, everyone. Thank you, people.
Okay. Okay. So hello guys. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? हरी भाई क्या हो गया? तुम्हारा नाम why you are so like कि मेरा नाम लो what happened? Good evening everyone. Good evening. Okay, what about the attendance? Attendance, okay. Hello. Hi. Okay, so I'm audible, perfect. I'm visible. Everything good. Good to start. Okay, okay then, Janta. Let me first share my screen. Okay, fine. So, yes. Is my screen shared? Janta, is my screen shared? Guys, is my screen shared? Yes. Okay. Anam, like if you're there, can you please do one thing instead of placing my image like aside the screen? Can you please place it over the screen? Like Anam, if you're there, zoom it please. Huh, that's what I'm asking. Anam, can you please place my video over the screen? Like if okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. But let me just share my complete screen. Wait, let me share my complete screen. Just a second. Okay, entire screen. This one. Mm-hmm. Perfect. So now tell me, now is my screen visible once again, Janta? So your screen is shared. Okay. Once again, just tell me if my screen is visible. Is it? No? What happened? Oh, I shared my screen. Is my screen visible? Okay, yes, it is visible. Perfect. Yes sir, आप भी मेरा नाम ले लो. Okay हरी भाई, okay हरी भाई ले लिया. I don't know why you are so obsessed with your name, but okay. Okay, yeah, fine. So what we are going to do today is we are starting a 5 days boot camp for placement prep. So जो लोग भी placements के लिए हैं, they can stay. And जिनको लगता है कि हमें अभी placements नहीं चाहिए, they can also stay. आगे भी तो चाहिए ना यार, है ना? तो तुम लोग भी रुक जाना. And sir, white box lids are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so now what do you guys know about placements? Okay, okay. First of all, the session will be bilingual, so I'll be taking in English as well as in Hindi. So no, it's not possible in English only. Okay, it will be bilingual. It will be bilingual. That's what I'm telling. Okay, not possible completely in English and not possible completely in Hindi as well, because we have few people, those who don't know English, right? So for them, I have to speak in Hindi as well. But yes, I will speak in English as well. Okay, so you have to be patient with us. Okay, Kishore, that's what I'm telling. That I'll go bilingual. Okay, I'll speak English. I'll speak Hindi as well. Fine. Okay, perfect. So now if you don't know Hindi, then I'll speak English, okay? And if you don't know English, then I'll speak Hindi. ठीक है? मैं दोनों बोलूंगा. Perfect. So now, what do you guys understand that? Okay, first let me tell. Please tell me how many of you feel that getting a job, right, landing in a company, taking a placement is a difficult thing. How many of you feel it is difficult? How many of you feel it is difficult to take a placement, to take a job? How many of you feel? किनको लगता है, कितनों को लगता है कि प्लेसमेंट लेना एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट जॉब है? मी ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड. स्क्रीन क्लियर नहीं है. ओके, इट विल बी क्लियर, डोंट वरी, इट विल गेट क्लियर. नाउ आई गेस इट शुड बी क्लियर. मी अरे 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 अरे, इट्स टू डिफिकल्ट. ओ माय गॉड. ओके, okay. No, dude, no, guys, no. Okay, let me tell you. Wait. Okay, let me tell you. You know, the easiest thing, the easiest thing is to take a job. Job lena is the easiest thing. Okay. No, yaar, come on. No, it's not recession. It's not like this. I'll explain it. Okay, I'll explain what I'm telling. Only above 15 LP difficult. Exactly, right? See, try to understand, guys. Okay, stop spamming in chat. Okay, please try to understand that taking a job, right, landing in a company, taking a offer letter, taking a placement is not difficult. It is not difficult. Okay, you guys can easily take a job. But what is difficult is getting a higher package, getting a package more than 10 lpa, getting a package more than 15 lpa. That is a bit difficult part. Okay, that is not everyone's cup of tea. I completely agree to it, right? But when it comes to taking a job, right, landing in a company, taking a campus placement, that is the easiest thing, right? No one is willing to hire freshers. No, that's not the case, guys. That's not the case. No one is willing to hire a unskilled person. Mark my words. There is nothing to do with fresher or like experienced guy. If you guys have skills, okay, if you guys have skills, right, then everybody will hire you. It is not difficult for fresher. When I was a fresher, I got 9 LPA from my campus placement. Okay, it is not that difficult. Try to understand. What you need to do is you just need to have the right skills. That's it. Skills are the most important thing, right? And getting a campus placement is the easiest thing. Okay, first make this thing very clear कि placements लेना मुश्किल नहीं है. You should know what to follow, what right path to follow, what right thing to do. That's it, right? For a fresher, no, it is not difficult. Let's not argue on it. Okay, तुम argue करते रहोगे फिर. Can you please tell how to make a really good internship resume? Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that in the coming sessions. I'll do that, right? I'll do that. What about off campus? Off campus is also easy, bro. Nothing is. See, the one thing you should know. You should know only one thing. That skills. What is the trending skill? What is the hot buzzing topic in the market? Right? What is the hot buzzing topic in the market? It's not about degree. Exactly. That's what I'm telling Prajwal. It's not about the degree. मेरी डिग्री अभी तक कॉलेज में पढ़ी, मैं लेके नहीं आया. Okay, it's all about the skills that matters. Okay, especially off campus. What is saying? I'm not sure what you're saying. Okay, right. So now see what we have to do. What exactly we have to do, right? आज हम start करेंगे campus placements, right? Today we'll start from the campus placement, very basic, right? That how you have to start, what all things you need to do before sitting for a placement and after sitting in a placement and all those things, right? Okay. Communication, yes, communication skills. See, it's all about in today's era, it's all about how you present yourself. Okay, first of all, define what is interview. Define interview. What is interview? What do you guys understand by the term interview? Interview से क्या समझ में आता है? What do you understand by interview? Dipti, I'll come to that. Right? Anyone who can define interviews. Interviews क्या हैं? What is interview? Interview कैसे define करते हो? Anybody? Hi, Amu. Branding ourselves. Okay. Selling ourselves. Exactly. Personality checking. No. Dipti, I'll come to that. I've told you I'll come to that. No, Tushar. See, interviews are nothing but to sell ourselves. That's it. That is what the interview is. In an interview, you are just selling yourself to a person sitting in front of you. You are not representing yourself. You are not showcasing yourself. You are doing nothing. The only thing that you are doing in an interview is you are just selling yourself. You are branding yourself. That's it. And अब यहाँ पे काम आते हैं हमारे सेल्स वाले. See what happens in an interview. Interview में क्या होता है? The person sitting in front of you, right? The person who is sitting in front of you, he don't know you. You don't know that person, right? And that person sitting in front of you is going to hire you on the basis of that 1 hour. Right? That 1 hour will decide whether you will get into that company or not. Is it? Tell me. यही होता है. The person sitting in front of you don't know you. He don't know your skill. He don't know your the whole performance in 4 years in BTech and all, right? He don't know anything. He just knows is that, okay, how you are going to perform in this 1 hour. That's it. Right? अब एक बात बताओ. Now just tell me one thing, right? Just think of it. From the perspective of that you are on a, you are just going to purchase some vegetable. Okay. You are going to purchase some vegetable, right? The vegetable seller, right? The vegetable seller in front of you, you don't know anything. You don't know anything about the vegetable present in front of you. But that vegetable seller, He knows each and everything about that vegetable that you are going to purchase, right? And now, how you will purchase that vegetable, it totally depends upon the skills of that seller. He, that seller, how he sells his vegetable to you, right? Right, and that's the exact thing that you do. You have 1 hour. You just need to express yourself. You should have a good communication skill. You should have a good, attitude. You should have a good, a smiling face, right? All it depends is on communication skill. First and the foremost thing that the interviewers see, right, is your communication, how you express yourself. Then he sees your skill set, कि क्या तुम्हारा टेक्निकल स्किल सेट है कि नहीं. पहली चीज that you must have in your bag before sitting in an interview is your presentation skills, right? Your presentation skills, that's it. अगर तुम्हें बेच, see, okay, let me give you one example. Okay, there are two types of students. Tension free, exactly. Tension free, right? Tension free. Showing your skills to the interviewer. Priyanka, showing skills to the interviewer is secondary thing. It is secondary, right? The first and the foremost part is that you should be confident. You should know how to express yourself, right? You should be interactive, राइट. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं बस ऐसे बैठा हूँ और यस सर, सुन रहा हूँ सर मैं आपकी बात, ओके सर, फाइन. नो, इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस, राइट? Your hands should be, you should be performing some gesture, just like I am doing right now, right? I'm performing certain gestures with my hands, right? I'm making this session interactive, isn't it? So your hand should perform some gestures, right? You should look confident, and you should be, expressive. You should be expressive, right? So just see a difference when I am telling something to you, right? When I am telling something to you, what I am doing, right? I am focusing on some words, है ना? I'm focusing on some words. I'm emphasizing on some words, right? And on the other side, I'm lowering my volume as well, right? There are certain places, there are certain sentences जहाँ पे मेरी voice कम हो रही है, right? And there are certain places जहाँ पे I am emphasizing on the words, right? So this is known as your expressions, how you express yourself. Got it? Got it? So exactly, this is the exact thing that you guys have to do in your interviews. Voice modulation, right? That this is the exact thing that you guys have to do in your interviews. Where to emphasize, where to keep your volume low, how to express, how to explain, all these things. Present skills to interview. I'll do that. I'll do each and everything, but let me first introduce, right? Let me first introduce कि what mistakes you guys do in the interviews. सबसे पहली गलती कि जैसे ही वो एक मीटिंग में कोई एंटर करता है, एक टुन से बेल बजती है, जब भी कोई मीटिंग में एंटर करता है घंटी बजती है टंग से, राइट? और उसी टाइम पे आर हार्ट बीट्स आर लाइक पता नहीं कहां भाग जाती हैं, हार्ट बीट तेज हो जाती है, राइट? आर हार्ट बीट बिकम वेरी फास्ट, ओके? सो वहीं पे गलती हो जाती है, हम वहीं पे डर जाते हैं, राइट? हम वहीं पे वी फील स्केरी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर, ओके? दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर. बस वो नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? लेट्स नाउ स्टार्ट. Okay, let's now start ki how we should prepare. First of all, understand the placement process, right? Understand the placement process. Now, for that, I'll give you an example. Okay, let us take with an example that, okay, suppose you're learning swimming, right? You're learning swimming. Okay, just tell me, when, like, if you're learning swimming, right, will you directly jump into the river or lake, or will you first start from the swimming pool? If you are trying to learn swimming, you will directly jump into the lake, or you will start from swimming pool? Tell me. I guess 99.9% present over here will start from swimming pool, है ना? And that 0.1% maybe they're out of their mind if they're starting from this lake directly, right? Swimming pool, exactly, right? That's the exact thing. Now, why? How to start from the bathtub? That's the perfect thing. Maybe you are a kind of a guy who will start from mock interview stages. Okay, yeah. So that's the exact thing that I'm trying to understand. See, before getting into the open market, before sitting in the interviews for like off campus, always start your placement preparation from your campus placements, right? I guess campus placement, most of the colleges may they provide campus placement, right? They provide campus placement, and some good colleges they provide even mock interviews as well, right? Start giving that. Please do not assume that okay, you'll not take the campus placement and you'll directly go for the off campus and you'll hit the bullseye. नहीं होने वाला यार. It's not going to happen. Okay, it's not going to happen. Please start from the smaller steps, right? Please start from the smaller steps. Start from the campus placement. Now, many colleges, okay, if your college does not provide any campus placement, right? If your college does not provide any campus placement, you can always come to Let's Upgrade, or you can always go to like anywhere those who take your mock interviews, right? Start preparing with the mock interviews. You can do that as well, right? कैंपस प्लेसमेंट नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहा, कोई बात नहीं, हम मॉक इंटरव्यू से स्टार्ट करेंगे, राइट? इन आवर कॉलेज दे जस्ट नो हाउ टू बुली. ओके, एवरीवन इज देयर टू नो बुली यू. एवरीवन इज देयर टू बुली यू. Ignore them. Okay, ignore them. So first step, start giving mock interviews, start sitting in the campus placement. Never avoid campus placements, and please don't see the package, right? कभी भी प्लेसमेंट में अगर तुम बैठ रहे हो, नेवर एवर सी दी पैकेज कि यार ये कंपनी तो मेरे को 3 लाख रुपए दे रही है, मैं इसमें क्यों बैठूं, आई डिजर्व मोर. अरे फाइन, fine, don't take the package now, don't accept that package, but please sit in the interviews. At least you will get exposure, right? At least you will get exposure, right? I don't know about other colleges, but placement is a scam in my college. I didn't got any IT sector companies in a job fair even during the placement time, and got only banking sector. So maybe your college is not taking this IT sector companies in you or something like that. Okay, so I can't comment on that again. I don't know about your college, right? But if you are not getting any IT sector companies in your college, you can look out for some mock interviews, right? Okay, I'm already avoided already. See, never avoid this thing. Okay, now what is the overall process in the campus placement, right? Campus placement का overall process क्या होता है? सबसे पहले it is always a pre-placement talk होती होगी. I'm coming to that only. I'm coming to off-campus tips as well as I'm coming to campus placement tips as well. Okay. So what is the process for a campus placement? First of all, there is always a pre-placement talk, right? Pre-placement talks mein what happened in pre-placement talk? So maybe if any of your alumni is currently working in that particular company who is coming to your campus, high chances your TPO will arrange a pre-placement talk with that alumni, and that alumni will explain the whole process, right? The culture of the company, in what direction the company is working to you, and you get a better insight about the company, right? And accordingly you can prepare yourself. Then comes your aptitude test. Okay, guys, this is the most interesting part. Aptitude test. What is aptitude test? Okay, before that, why aptitude is there? Tell me, why aptitude test is there? Tell me. Okay, I'll share the difference between campus and off campus. Okay, I'll share that. Till then, why aptitude test is there? To manage on-site issues. No, for filter process. Guys, exactly. Aptitude test is never ever there for your selection. एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट कभी भी सिलेक्शन के लिए नहीं होता. एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट इज देयर जस्ट टू फिल्टर आउट. वो स्टूडेंट्स को फिल्टर करने के लिए होता है. इट इज नेवर द पार्ट ऑफ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, बट इट इज देयर टू रिजेक्ट यू गाइज. ओके, कि एप्टीट्यूड का कोई मतलब नहीं है सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस से. राइट वो सिर्फ इसलिए होता है कि जो एकदम से भीड़ आई है हम उस भीड़ को फिल्टर आउट कर सके, एग्जैक्टली टू ओवरकम द क्राउड। दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग कि जो एकदम से भीड़ आई है उस भीड़ को फिल्टर आउट कैसे करना है। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट्स आर नेवर देयर, never ever in your life is there to select you, but it is always there to reject you, right? It is always there to reject you. On what topic of filtration, sir? See, on the topic of your maybe your यार बहुत बेसिक से होते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, एबिलिटी, तुम्हारा मेंटल एबिलिटी कैसा है, सोचते कैसा हो तुम, एंड काइंड ऑफ लाइक वेस्ट है यार। आई डोंट फील लाइक कि एप्टीट्यूड होना भी चाहिए। ओके, देन कम्स योर ग्रुप डिस्कशन। सी, ग्रुप डिस्कशन देखो टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू से पहले हो रहा है ग्रुप डिस्कशन। वाई? बिकॉज they want to see your confidence level, they want to see how much interactive you can, they want to see how much expressive you are, right? So then comes your GDs, then comes your GD. Once you clear the GD, then come your technical interview, and which is the actual part of your selection, राइट? टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू से सिलेक्शन होता है, इससे पहले का तो रिजेक्शन के लिए है कि आई नीड टू कंट्रोल ओवर द स्टूडेंट। ओके, आई जस्ट वांट टू कंट्रोल ओवर दिस क्राउड, राइट? आस्क एन एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट। तो एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट में जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, दे आर ऑन टाइम वर्क स्पीड के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, राइट? एंड देन योर फ्यू क्वेश्चंस ऑन बेस्ड ऑन योर ज्योमेट्रीज एंड ऑल, राइट? और अपने वो होते हैं रिलेशन, ब्लड रिलेशन वाले होते हैं, एंड योर मतलब ये एक बेसिक यार, बेसिक जो होते हैं तुम्हें मिल जाएंगे कहीं पे भी। ग्रुप डिस्कशन के टॉपिक्स मोस्टली वो होते हैं जो करंट अफेयर्स होते हैं, राइट? अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूं कि मेरा कल कोई प्लेसमेंट है, राइट? अगर मैं कल किसी प्लेसमेंट के लिए बैठ रहा हूं, हाई चांसेस हैं कि मुझे ग्रुप डिस्कशन दिया जाएगा कि भाई अभी जो इंडिया का करंट नया बजट आया है उस पर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करो, राइट? एवरीवन शुड नो दैट आज बजट पास हुआ है, राइट? आज बजट पास हुआ है जिसमें टैक्स बढ़ गया है बहुत ज्यादा, है ना? इन्वेस्टमेंट पे भी सरकार ने बहुत ज्यादा वो कर दिया है कि तुम्हें 20% देना पड़ेगा एफएनओ पे एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, राइट? सो हाई चांसेस अगर कल मेरी प्लेसमेंट है या आने वाले एक वीक में मेरी प्लेसमेंट है तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन विल बी ऑन बजट. So mostly it is on the current topic, which is the hot buzzing topic, right? Then comes your technical interviews. Again, it completely depends. बताया तो सही, current topics, जो current buzzing topics होते हैं, hot buzzing topics, right? Then comes your technical interviews. Totally depends upon your company. कि भाई कंपनी टेक्निकल राउंड एक लेती है, दो लेती है या तीन लेती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज दो ही होते हैं, बट इन बहुत सारी ऐसी कंपनीज होती है जहां पे दे टेक 3 टेक्निकल राउंड्स. ओके, जहां पे दे टेक 3 टेक्निकल राउंड्स फॉलोड अप विद एन एचआर राउंड इंटरव्यू, राइट? फॉलोड अप विद द HR round interview. So this is the complete process, right? This process involves two rejection criteria, that is aptitude and GD, and then comes your 2 selection criteria, that is your technical interviews and HR interviews. That's it. And please don't assume कि HR में कोई बाहर नहीं होता है. Okay, please don't assume कि HR तो निकल जाता है, नहीं होता है, right? HR में भी you get eliminated. Okay, you get eliminated in HR as well. How to learn skills in a short time, 3rd year 7th sem. If you are in 3rd year 7th sem, let me give you a golden key. Start learning React.js. 3 महीने में तुम स्किल हो जाओगे और चौथे महीने में तुम्हारी जॉब लग जाएगी. स्टार्ट लर्निंग React.js. 3 महीने का काम है, खत्म करोगे. ओके. नाउ इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ अर्ली प्रिपरेशन. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल अभी लाइव हुआ है. अगर हर्ष ने 7th सेमेस्टर का वेट नहीं किया होता और उसने पहले ही प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर ली होती, राइट? इफ हर्ष वुड हैव डन अर्ली प्रिपरेशन, then ये सिचुएशन नहीं आती कि हर्ष would be asking me that okay, I'm in 7th sem and I don't know what to do, please help. Okay. What if I was thinking that's what? Yes, exactly. So everybody sitting out there, the 200 plus janta sitting out there. If you guys don't know what to do, if you guys are on your peak time, if you are in your 7th semester, start learning React. Okay, it's a 3 months course. ठीक है, it's a 3 months course and in the fourth month you will definitely be placed. Okay, kar do shuru. It's a golden key for everybody. Start learning it now. This is the advantage of early preparation, right? As let me give you my example, right? I already knew that, okay, React JS is something. I'm a front end developer, okay? So I already knew that React JS is something which is currently in hot buzz, right? And there is a lot of vacancies for this particular skill. So what I did from my second year, right? From my second year itself, I started preparing for React JS. And by the starting of my third year, I was placed. I got placed. By the starting of my third year, I got placed, right? So that is always an early preparation advantage. So if you are prepared well enough, if you are prepared enough well before, right, you'll not be, stressed out for the last minute. Always start doing it, right? Always start doing it. What up? Saying is easy, but doing and getting place is difficult. No, bro, it's not difficult. No, Priya. No, Priya. नहीं मैम, नहीं है डिफिकल्ट. ट्रस्ट मी. ट्राई तो करो. ट्राई तो करो. हम हार मान लेते हैं, बस यही डिफिकल्ट है. Maybe I should not reveal the name of my company, but yes, okay, I'm in a good company. React JS, yes, React JS, fine. Always start early. Now see. Okay, let me tell one more thing. Okay, how many of you are still confused? How many of you are still confused? Where to go? DSA or development? कोई कंफ्यूज है? I'll tell about resume, I'll tell about CV, I'll tell about LinkedIn, I'll tell about everything. Okay, don't worry. Just wait for these 5 days. Okay, I'll tell about everything. What are the basic skills for data science? I say no. See, okay, but first tell me how many of you are still confused what to opt, DSA or development? हो कंफ्यूज? बहुत कंफ्यूजन होती है ना कि यार क्या करें, डीएसए करें, डेवलपमेंट करें. फिर ऐसा होता है कि एक दिन हम डीएसए कर रहे होते हैं, दूसरे दिन हम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होते हैं, तीसरे दिन हम रो रहे होते हैं कि कुछ नहीं आता. राइट. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, let me give you one simple example. Career break and not getting calls. Okay, so see, let me understand you this concept of DSA and development, right? DSA and development is बहुत important. I know, because I know I'm getting these students for like I don't know how many years. कि भाई DSA development, DSA development, right? Let me tell you. Okay, let me give an example. Okay, let me give you an example. कि what is the importance of DSA and what is the importance of development? Make this thing very clear. I'll start by saying one sentence that you cannot survive without development. Development के बिना survival नहीं है. Make this thing very, very, very clear in your life. You cannot survive without development. Right? DSA के बिना still you can survive. I am surviving. I am a big zero in DSA. Okay? Let me make this thing very clear. I am a big zero in DSA, but I am still surviving because I know very well about development. Okay? Development के बिना survival नहीं कर पाओगे. Development के बिना survival. Okay? Mark my words. First of all. Now, then क्यों DSA होता है? रोल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट. मैं आ रहा हूं, दीप्ति आ रहा हूं. प्लीज थोड़ा विश्वास रखो. मेरे पे थोड़ा सा फेथ रखो. I'll cover all these topic. Role of projects, why DSA is important, why development is important, क्या करें, कब करें, क्यों करें. I'll cover all these topic. Just be with me. Okay, just be with me for this 5 days. Okay, I'll cover each and everything. Right now, see, now try to understand. At the end, right? How many of you, okay, let us take an example. That you are doing only DSA. Let us take an example that you are doing only DSA and not development, right? Suppose you are solving 10 questions every day on lead code. Okay, you are solving 10 questions every day on lead code and you are not happy. Okay, You are not happy. अरे मैं नहीं भूलता भाई, मुझे सब याद है, मैं ये पढ़ा रहा हूँ यार बच्चों को. कम ऑन, हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट? Okay, so now suppose you are a DSA zombie, right? You are a DSA zombie who is eating 10 DSA problems every day. Okay, now understand, now try to understand, and by your luck you are able to land in a company, you are able to get a placement in a company, right? Now what you will be doing in that company? What you will be doing in that company after getting that placement? How many of you think that you are still gonna solve 10 problems every day for that company? Tell me, how many of you still think, how many of you still think that that you are going to solve 10 problems every day after getting that placement for that company? लगता है किसी को? Anybody? Anybody who thinks that okay, after getting the placement again you will be solving that 10 lead code problem for that company? Tell me. Anybody out there? Guys, wake up to reality. Wake up to reality. No one will allow you to open lead code in the office time. नहीं करोगे यार. At the end of the day, you guys have to do certain development. Either mobile development, either web development, either app development, either iOS development, game development. कहीं यही तो करोगे यार. यही तो करोगे. मशीन लर्निंग का मॉडल ट्रेन कर रहे होगे, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कर रहे होगे, फ्रंट एंड कर रहे होगे, बैक एंड कर रहे होगे, ऐप डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होगे, मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होगे, गेम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होगे, iOS डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होगे, राइट? Anybody who still think that you will be solving that 10 problems of lead code every day and sitting in your company? नहीं होगा. नहीं होगा, right? Never. Never. Once you are landed into a company, once you are placed in the company, yes, I'll come to that as well. Yes, DSA is important. I'm not saying that DSA is not important. DSA is important. I'll tell you how DSA is important, right? I'll tell you that as well, right? Once you are placed in a company, right, at morning 9 or 10 a.m., right, you will be having a morning scrum. You'll be having a morning scrum of 10-15 minutes in which your manager or team lead will come, join the meeting, and will ask you that, okay, तुमने कल क्या किया, what you did yesterday, right, and what you are going to do today, right? And the next morning you can't say that, okay sir, I have solved 10 lead code problems yesterday, so I'm not able to make that login page which you have given to me. You cannot say this. Come on, right? If your manager has assigned you that, okay, this is the login page that you have to make in the complete day and tomorrow I'll check the update, then you cannot say that, okay sir, I was solving the lead code problem and I was not able to solve this, I was not able to make this login page. No, the manager will say that, okay, your lead code problems are fine, but I'm just interested in that login page. I'm not interested in your lead code problem. And this is the harsh reality. This is the harsh reality. Okay, what is the best course? If I'm guys, let's not go there now. Let's not go there. Okay, let's stay focused in the placement prep. Okay, हम वहां पे नहीं जाते कि कोर्स कौन सा बढ़िया कौन सा नहीं है. अभी प्लेसमेंट की बात करते हैं, राइट? बट अब मैं बात करता हूं कि why we need DSA then. क्यों DSA चाहिए, राइट? DSA कब चाहिए? When you want to get placement more than 15 LPA, more than 10 LPA, 10 LPA 12 LPA से ज्यादा प्लेसमेंट चाहिए. इवन छोड़ो यार, 12 LPA भी छोड़ो, 12 LPA तक की प्लेसमेंट भी तुम्हें एरेज लिंक लिस्ट दिलवा देगा, आराम से दिलवाएगा, राइट? इफ यू आर एमिंग फॉर 12 LPA, एरेज लिंक लिस्ट क्यू, ये डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कर लो, यू विल गेट 12 LPA, यू विल इजीली गेट 12 LPA, राइट? प्लस डेवलपमेंट नहीं छोड़नी है, राइट? इफ यू आर एमिंग more than 15 LPA, more than 20 LPA, you need to do DSA. तुम्हें DSA चाहिए. अगर कोई 15-20 LPA देख रहा है, तुम्हें DSA चाहिए, लेकिन DSA के साथ साथ डेवलपमेंट इज ऑल्सो वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. With DSA, you can land into a company, but without development you cannot land into a good placement, right? Yes, it is worthy, it is worthy for you as well, right? It is worthy for you as well. Gaming phonics, it is worthy for you as well, but let us let it's first day, right? So I'm just starting with that. Okay, right? So try to understand. एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. ट्रेन में ट्रैवल कर रहा है, राइट? What about data analyst? यार for data analyst, freshers के लिए it is a bit tough. I agree. For data analyst it is a bit tough for freshers, right? DSA in JavaScript, अगर मैं अभी की बात करूँ, yes you can do, but I prefer if you want to do DSA, please do it in Java, not in JavaScript, right? Okay, so टेक्निकल गाइज, इंपॉर्टेंस समझ में आया डीएसए का और डेवलपमेंट का, राइट? इफ यू वांट टू डू डीएसए डू इट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट डेवलपमेंट यू कैन नॉट स्किप. You cannot skip development, right? Development is important everywhere. Mechanical engineers, bhai, at the end, what happens? Mechanical engineers, not mechanical, but ECE, CSIT, IT, CSC, ये सब आते तो CSC वालों के पास ही है. हमारी नौकरियां खाते हो तुम सब, है भाई? ECE वालों, EC ही हो गया, CSC हो गया, CSIT हो गया, IT हो गया. You all come for this tech role only, right? you all compete with us only. Okay, so doesn't matter whether you are from CSC, whether you are from CSIT, whether you are from IT, whether you are from ECE, whether you are from machine learning, whether you are from artificial intelligence, you all are there. You all are there for the same job roles, right? That is same as for CSC, right? You all are there to take our our jobs. Okay, yeah. Now it is very important, to identify your strengths and weaknesses. जैसे कि if I talk about myself, right? Destroyed in seconds. If I talk about myself, right? If I talk about myself, ये सब हमारी नौकरी खाते हैं. कंप्लीट नाउ. अब क्या करूं भाई? डीएसए कंप्लीट हो गया तो स्प्रिंग बूट स्टार्ट कर दे. डीएसए किस में किया है? जावा में किया है. अगर डीएसए जावा में किया है तो स्प्रिंग बूट स्टार्ट कर दे, बहुत डिमांड में है. पाइथन में किया है तो मशीन लर्निंग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में आता, बहुत डिमांड में है. Okay, so it is very important to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Like if I talk about myself, C++ में किया है तो भाई एक काम कर, जावा स्टार्ट कर दे. फिर अगर C++ में किया है तो बस सिंटैक्स डिफरेंट है, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. जावा स्टार्ट कर दे. ओके, राइट? इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, मुझे पता लग गया था यार फर्स्ट ईयर में, सेकेंड ईयर में, कि डीएसए इज नॉट माई स्ट्रेंथ. मुझसे डीएसए नहीं होगा, राइट? I immediately switched to my development. कि भाई डीएसए तो नहीं हो रहा, डीएसए अपना गेम नहीं है, राइट? डीएसए इज नॉट माई स्ट्रेंथ, डीएसए is my weakness, so let me try other things. Then I started testing part, right? Then I started testing. Okay sir, okay तुषार भाई, okay. then I started looking forward कि यार ठीक है डीएसए नहीं हो रहा है तो let's start doing testing, right? Let's start doing testing. So फिर मैंने टेस्टिंग में देखा कि यार ठीक है टेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं अपन. Then someone told me that okay, why don't you try front end development, right? Because front end development is something. Please also consider non-tech students. Okay, so let me give this example as a non-tech student. Okay, so suppose you are from a sales guy, right? You are a sales guy, or you are any non-tech person, right? And suppose सेल्स में भी जहां तक मुझे पता है देयर आर वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ सेल्स, राइट? एक आई गेस एंटरप्राइज सेल्स होता है, फिर एक कुछ बहुत सारे होते हैं. आई एम नॉट अ सेल्स गाय, सो आई डोंट नो मच, बट यस आई नो देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट एरियाज इन सेल्स, राइट? सो सपोज if you don't think that okay, for a personal for if you are a person, right, जो एक particular field में you feel that in a one field, if you are feeling that okay, I'm not good enough in this field, immediately switch towards the other field. Try other field, right? Try other field that you think that okay, you should opt for, right? It should not be ki okay, अगर मेरे से ये नहीं हो रहा है तो मेरे को इसी को ड्रैग करना है. You should never drag anything, right? If you feel that okay, this is something which is not my cup of tea, try other things. Never ever stay behind from trying different things. Always analyze what is your strength and what is your weakness, right? Not everything is everybody's cup of tea, right? Not everything is everybody's cup of tea. Might be a chance मेरे साथ बैठा बच्चा उस चीज को अच्छे से कर रहा है, but I am not able to do it. And if I am not able to do it, let us switch now. Let us switch. Why to drag the things? Never drag it, right? Always analyze your strength and the weaknesses before getting towards the in the placement, right? Then comes your again SWOT analysis. That is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Now, understand your strength, understand your weaknesses. Then see what all opportunities you have in the market, what all opportunities you have in the market matching your strength, right? अपनी strength के according opportunities देखो. यार ठीक है, अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ if in something I am good, right? I agree that मैं इसमें अच्छा हूँ, right? I am good in this particular thing. But क्या वो चीज मार्केट में डिमांड है? क्या उस चीज की मार्केट में डिमांड है, right? If you feel that okay, you are good in certain thing, you are good in certain field, but that particular field is not demanded, that particular thing is not very hot buzzing topic in the market, फायदा नहीं है ना यार उस चीज का, फायदा नहीं है उस चीज का, right? राइट. इफ यू फील कि तुम्हारी कुछ स्ट्रेंथ है एंड उसके रिलेटेड कुछ थ्रेट चल रहा है मार्केट में, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट थ्रेट्स, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट फियर. व्हाट अबाउट कोर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जॉब? अरे कोर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जॉब, which branch you are from, Sneha? Right? So always do SWOT analysis before sitting in the interview prep, right? Always understand your strength, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. वो स्टडी करने के बाद ही हमेशा यू हैव टू सिट इन द इंटरव्यूज. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, ओके ओके करते हैं इसको 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 भी कवर करते हैं. आई need to do that. Okay, sir, I am a BCA final year and I am full stack developer using Python, Django. Khushi, please try to switch, yaar. Please try to switch. Django is getting outdated. Please try to switch. Node.js भी कर सकते हो, but I'll highly prefer Spring Boot. Hello friend, I would like to connect. भाई पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग बाद में कर ले तेजस, बाद में कर लियो. ओके ओके या हाँ. अरे guys, see, there is nothing to do with technical guy, EC branch, non like CSC branch. There's nothing to do with. I am just taking example of that branches, right? You can always relate it in your branches, है ना? तुम अपने उसमें relate कर सकते हो उसको, right? Right? I'm just giving example of that branch. That if you are not good in one thing, try a second thing, right? And अगर मैं बात करूँ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की, तो यार इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वालों, Sneha, you will be sitting for the CSC, like with the CSC guys, right? You will be sitting for them, with us only. Okay. Setting career goals. Always remember the most important step. Setting career goals, right? Setting career goals. तो हम career goals कैसे set कर सकते हैं? How we can set the career goals, right? अगर मैं बात करूं कि आई शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ कि यार मुझे क्या करना है. अगेन ये सारी वही चीजें हैं, हमें पता होना चाहिए व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू. जो हम कर रहे हैं वो मार्केट में है कि नहीं. एस्टैब्लिश अ क्लियर कैरियर गोल प्रोवाइडिंग अ डायरेक्शन मोटिवेशन फॉर योर प्रोफेशनल जर्नी, राइट? यू शुड बी डिफाइनिंग बोथ शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स एज वेल एज लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स. इसका मैं बेस्ट एग्जांपल देता हूं, राइट? लेट मी गिव एग्जांपल of this short term and long term goals very clearly. Okay, sir, I am a fresher and trying to get into IIM. How to build resume for non English? Resume building session है यार. Let me tell you, resume building session I guess कल है जहां तक मुझे है. Let me check. Wait, resume building session is on, हाँ, Creating your professional portfolio and online presence is tomorrow, right? Creating your professional your LinkedIn profiles, GitHub वगैरह कैसे create करना है, and your online presence, right? Creating your online presence is tomorrow. Okay, भाई सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन एक ही है ना, मैं एक एक वो थोड़ी करूंगा. सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन इज बेसिकली यू शुड रियलाइज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम, द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ यू शुड बी एबल टू रियलाइज योरसेल्फ कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ जिंदगी में. ठीक है. Okay. Now, the best example of short term and long term goals, right? Now, suppose if you are planning for a data analyst, right? If you are planning for a data analyst, okay, or maybe if you are planning for a cloud developer, अगर तुम cloud developer पे जाना चाहते हो, right? Cloud developer पता है सबको, cloud JS, those who manage everything, right? So फ्रेशर्स के लिए क्लाउड डेवलपमेंट या क्लाउड डेवलपर के रोल जॉब के लिए जाना एंड एक हाई पैकेज लेना is a bit tough. Okay, it is a bit tough job, right, for a fresher. So what you can do, your long term goal, right? Your long term goal is basically to be a cloud developer. That is your long term goal. But how to achieve it? To be a cloud developer, right? You cannot directly go to a company and say that okay, I want to be a cloud developer, मेरे को ले लो. ऐसा नहीं होता है. क्लाउड इज समथिंग जो कि एक बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस के बाद हम हैंडल करते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज अ वेरी क्रूशियल थिंग. योर वन मिस्टेक कैन ruin the whole turnover of the company. It can ruin everything, your one mistake. So cloud जैसे सेंसिटिव चीजें फ्रेशर्स के हाथ में नहीं दी जाती. So what you can do, you can start from basic, that okay, first take a job in a company, right? Then showcase the company that you are skilled in cloud by automating the things, by using AWS, by automating the by deploying CI/CDs if it is not there, and if it is there, if it is already there, like CI/CD kind of a stuff, you can always say that okay sir, I can handle this CI/CD part. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you feel that your long term goals, right, if you feel that your long term goals are slight away from your reach right now, start making small short term goals that land in a company. Showcase your cloud skills, then showcase that okay, what else you can do in cloud. And once the company has the faith that okay, you have a good command over your cloud development, then you can switch in the cloud department, right? So this is the way. And this can only be done by yourself. कोई और नहीं कर सकता इसको, right? हाँ हाँ भाई, मन का फ्यूचर हमेशा है. जब तक गूगल रहेगा तब तक मन रहेगा. ठीक है, right? Understanding the, yeah, okay, first of all, let us see the difference between CV and resume. There are two things. One is CV and one is resume, right? ये क्या होता है? हम बात तो कर रहे हैं रिज्यूमे बनवा दो, सीवी बनवा दो, बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिज्यूमे एंड सीवी? एनीबडी? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सीवी एंड रिज्यूमे? और इंडस्ट्री में क्या चलता है? If I talk about industry, what happens in the industry? Are we guys give our resumes or we guys give our CVs? हम क्या देते हैं इंडस्ट्री में? Fresher and experienced? नहीं. What is CV and what is resume? CV is for fresher. नहीं. No. So when it comes to industry, we always give our resume, right? We always give our resume when it comes to industry. Okay? And when it comes to any academics part, any research part, then we give our CV, right? No, it's not like that. Right? It's not like when we are experienced, we'll give CV, when we are fresher, we'll give resume. No. The difference is of academics and industry. Whenever you need to give your introduction for any academics part, for any research purpose, right? Then you can always you'll give CV. And whenever you are giving your introduction, whenever you are giving your overview in any industry, then you'll give your resume, right? So basically, What are CV? CV is a long term, right? CV is something which is a detailed documentation focusing on your entire career, right? Focusing on your entire career. Wait, let me tell you in detail. By just a second. Just a second. Huh. Okay. So CV is something which is a detailed documentation, right? That is a detailed documentation जो तुम्हारी entire career history दिखाता है, right? And it is there जब भी तुम्हें कोई research के लिए apply करना है या तुम्हें whenever you want to apply in international, right? Whenever you want to apply in international job roles, right? Then you give your CV, your detailed version, right? But whenever you want to apply in your current industry, India mein hi apply karna hai, right? Then you will always give your resume, the concise, right? The concise thing, right? That is highlighting your skills and experience. Now, why I am saying that कि resume में हमें resume देना चाहिए, CV नहीं देना चाहिए? क्यों? See, ATS पता है? ATS का नाम सुना है? Anybody? Have you heard about ATS? What is ATS? सुना है कभी ATS के बारे में? Right? So there is a thing called ATS, right? And that is the reason I am saying that you should always give your resumes in the industry and not CV. ATS क्या करता है? What does ATS do? Exactly, ATS score. But what exactly ATS do? Exactly क्या करता है ATS? भाई एक्सपीरियंस के लिए भी रिज्यूमे हो यार, कम ऑन. ठीक है, तुम ऐसे कर लो, चलो तुम ऐसे याद रख लो बस. फ्रेशर्स के लिए रिज्यूमे, एक्सपीरियंस के लिए सीवी. बस मैं अपनी डेफिनेशन चेंज कर लेता हूँ. ओके, बट ये सही डेफिनेशन नहीं है, राइट? इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग इन एकेडमिक्स पार्ट, इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू अप्लाई इन एकेडमिक्स पार्ट, दैट इज योर सीवी. एंड इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग इन इंडस्ट्री, दैट इज योर रिज्यूमे. ओके, एग्जैक्टली. सो अगर मैं मोटा मोटा बताऊं एटीएस के बारे में, राइट? इफ आई बट एटीएस इज like more than just having a comparison between skills and our JD. It is more than that. It is way more than that. Okay, ATS is way more than that. ATS job is not just to matching our skills with the job description. No, it is way more than that. Okay, we'll discuss in detail tomorrow about this ATS. Okay, हम कल इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. आज मोटा मोटा बता देता हूं मैं. Yes, you are right that ATS is something. What does ATS do basically? ATS go through our resume. ATS go through our resumes and match and try to find out some important words, some important skills that we have mentioned in our resume. It just find out those words and it matches those words with the job description. And if the words matches, then it passes, right? Mota, right? So that's why नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, so that's why I am saying that CVs are not preferred. CVs are not preferred in the industries and resumes are, because resumes are the concise way of our achievement. Resumes are the concise way of our achievement, right? That we guys do. सो अगर चीज कंसाइज है, राइट, अगर चीजें कंसाइज हैं, तो इट विल बी वे मोर इजियर फॉर अ एप्लीकेशन लाइक एटीएस टू पार्स इट. एप्लीकेशन ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम, एग्जैक्टली, राइट? जो भी हम एप्लीकेशन आई है हमारी, उसको पूरा ट्रैक करना, राइट? फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू एंडिंग, राइट? सो difference between CVs and resume, right? ये था. And why resumes are preferred? Just because of ATS. अब what are the essential components of a resume, right? ये I guess हम कल करते हैं essential components. It's 1 hour already. आज 5-7 मिनट अनम मैम भी ले गए थे, तो कल अनम मैम नहीं आएंगे हमें डिस्टर्ब करने. How many days to complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React? भाई HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React देख, JavaScript ही लेके जाएगी 1 महीना, HTML, CSS लेके जाएगा तेरा 15 दिन, React लेके जाएगा तेरा 2 से 3 महीने, तो एट मैक्स मान के चल 4 महीने. ठीक है, 4 महीने एट मैक्स खत्म विद प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल. अरे भाई पैसे लेने हैं भाई, ऐसा मत करना यार. पैसे लेने अभी इनसे मेरे को भाई. मत करना ऐसा. ठीक है, ओके जनता. सो आई गेस यहीं रोकते हैं आज का सेशन, टाइम हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. टुमारो विल स्टार्ट विद द रिज्यूमेस कि हम रिज्यूमेस कैसे बना सकते हैं एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. ठीक है. सर बताओ ना, डाटा साइंटिस्ट और फुल स्टैक. भाई टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन योर इंटरेस्ट. तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट किस में है. ठीक है. अगर तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें पाइथन अच्छा लगता है तो डेटा साइंस कर लो, आगे फ्यूचर है डेटा साइंस का. अदरवाइज फुल स्टैक कर लो. जेएस में कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे बिल्ड करें. लेट्स अपग्रेड वालों को बोलो मेरा सेशन रखवा दे, अपने आप हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ठीक है. हाउ टू लर्न आवर कैरियर स्किल, लेस टाइम अप्रोच क्विकली. ओके भाई 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 भाई. सर कितनी लैंग्वेज सीखे. सी संजना, एट मैक्स 2 आई वुड प्रेफर. एट मैक्स 2. लेकिन जो सीखो उतना अच्छे सीखो. जो आता है वो आता है. मतलब ऐसा हो कि अगर मैं कह रहा हूं मुझे रिएक्ट आता है तो मुझे रिएक्ट आता है, बस ये होना चाहिए. ठीक है. टाइम फ्लू में. थैंक यू प्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, समथिंग अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट. भाई पर करेंगे ना यार, तुम सब कुछ एक ही दिन में सीख लोगे यार. कम ऑन गाइस प्लीज. स्प्रिंग बूट का सेशन. भाई मैं फ्रंट एंड वाला बंदा हूँ. खुशी, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम अ फ्रंट एंड गाय. सो फ्रंट एंड के बारे में तुम्हें जो भी चाहिए मैं सब कुछ बता सकता हूँ, लेकिन उसके अलावा स्प्रिंग बूट वगैरह का आई डोंट नो. ईमेल आईडी और लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. सो लेट मी शेयर माय लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. वेट, लेट मी शेयर माय लिंक्डइन. लिंक्डइन, अरे यम 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 मेरा. ओके, दिस इज माय लिंक्डइन. अरे कहाँ गया. ओके फाइन. चलो मैं बाद में शेयर करता हूँ लिंक्डइन फिर कभी. ओके चलो. ओके गाइस, ओके गाइस. सो लिंक्डइन में देखता हूँ, बाद में करता हूँ. अभी मेरे को लॉगिन वगैरह करना पड़ेगा. विल सी लेटर ऑन. ठीक है. एनी डाउट्स, एनी डाउट्स, एनी डाउट्स सो फार, और शैल वी क्लोज द सेशन. व्हाट इज डेवऑप्स एंड फ्री सोर्स. डेवऑप्स, डेवऑप्स का बेस्ट एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ CI/CD के थ्रू. React.js करवा, React.js. ओके ठीक है डन. अनम, आई गेस वी आर गुड टू गो. थैंक यू सो मच जनता. लेट्स एंड दिस सेशन, है ना. विल मीट अगेन टुमारो द सेम टाइम. ओके.